Okay, so this is actually day 14, but I started doing this stuff like day 4 or 5 after the grogginess wore off. At the hospital, since I didn't stay overnight, the physical therapist didn't give me much useful advice. So this is an exercise routine I've been using to maintain my strength while not violating no weight on that foot. This can take about one round between 5 and 9 minutes, depending on how I feel. You can do multiple sets if you want to. I'm going to do one set for this video to keep it down. And I start with a little something that kind of warmed me up, but it also does work on my core and my legs. Followed by flutter kicks. This is great for the core and the upper legs. That's lower core. Upper legs, thighs. I'm going to do some crunches for the upper core. So I don't forget, I'm not a physio, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a trainer. I'm an old guy that's been working out since Christ was a corporal. And so I know a little bit about this stuff, or at least I have opinions. Outer thighs. Gotta be careful with this one so I don't roll off the bench. Cast helps with that one. I mean, it helps it be more of an exercise than this side. Rest for a second. Then the next exercise is going to be for glutes and hamstrings. Let's go. Whew. Now I'm going to do some stuff for my triceps, mostly one-legged push-ups. I do it on a bench instead of on the floor because I personally have trouble doing one leg. I don't want to push this in too hard. I just want to pump the muscles and, you know, to remind me I actually have them. Good for the chest too, right? And then the next one is going to be a version of dips. Most of the stuff you could do on the floor if you don't have one of these benches, but I have the bench, so this works a little better for me. That might be in the way. That's enough. Now I'll finish up with some curls. Not too heavy. Of course, at my age, we don't do much heavy. I think this is 20 pounds. Okay, that's it. Thanks.